Yung dividends po ba, pwede din po ma-withdraw? Interesting question from ma'am regarding pag-ibig, regular savings, or MP2 na dividends. Pwede ba daw ma-withdraw? Sige po, ma'am, I will answer your question in a direct, concise, and with example. Let's get started. So, unang-una ma'am, may dividends po tayo. You are correct. Sa Pag-ibig Regular Savings at Pag-ibig MP2. Kaya lang yung tanong mo kanina, walang nakalagay no kung Pag-ibig Regular Savings ba na dividends yung tanong mo or Pag-ibig MP2 na dividends. Anyway, ang answer po natin ma'am, kung Pag-ibig Regular Savings ba yan or Pag-ibig MP2, the answer po is yes, pwede natin ma-withdraw po ito. Pero if Pag-ibig Regular Savings po yan, ma-withdraw po natin sa membership maturity na po. Ibig sabihin, after 20 years po or retirement due to age 60, permanent departure from the country, or withdrawal na po sa Pag-ibig Regular Savings natin. On the other hand, if Pag-ibig MP2 po na dividends ang kunin natin, pwede natin makuha yan ma'am. Dalawang option po yan. Annually or membership maturity or 5 years after. So yan po ma'am, pwede natin makuha yung dividends po natin. Bakit po pwede makuha yan? Kasi sa atin po yan ma'am, yan po ang tubo natin sa saving, sa Pag-ibig. Speaking of dividends ma'am, meron tayong example, no? Dividends rate po ito ng Pag-ibig Regular Savings since 2017. Para aware po tayo kung ano ba talaga ang dividends rate. Malaki ba? Answer, 2017, 7.61%. Uy, malaki. 2018, 6.91%. 2019, 6.73%. 2020, 5.62% o bumaba. Bakit bumaba? Kasi pandemic time ito. 2021, 5.50%, pandemic time also. 2022, medyo naka-recover na, 6.53%. 2023, wala pa pong dividends rate. Kasi po, first quarter of 2024 pa yan. Ibig sabihin, March or April pa daw, sabi ni Pag-ibig. Alright, so yan po ang dividend rates ni Pag-ibig. Sa dividend rates ni Pag-ibig MP2, next video na po natin yan if may magtanong sa Q&A with Proof AMN. Alright? So, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless. And two thumbs up.